Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In previous video we have solved one problem related to the plane scale. In continuation with that, in this video also we will solve some problem based on plane scale. So if you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. So problem data states construct a plane scale of 1 centimeter equal to 0.5 kilometer to read kilometer and hectometer. Which two units that we have to represent using plane scale? Kilometer and hectometer. So we know the relation 1 kilometer is equivalent to 10 hectometer and long enough to measure up to 9 kilometer. So maximum distance to be measured is 9 kilometer. Find its RF and measure a distance of 6 km and 4 hectometers on this scale. So given data is RF is equals to length of drawing divided by actual length of object. So length of drawing is 1 centimeter divided by actual length of object is 0.5 kilometer. If we simplify this, we will get RF is equivalent to 1 upon 50,000. Okay. Maximum distance to be measured is 9 km. So let's find out the length of scale. Length of scale is equivalent to RF into maximum distance to be measured. So 1 by 50,000 into 9 km. If we simplify this and convert it into millimeter, then we will get 180 millimeter as a length of scale. Now in next step, we will draw a rectangle having a length 180 millimeter and height is equivalent to 1 centimeter. So let's say this is my rectangle. Now maximum distance to be measured is 9 kilometer. So I will divide this length 180 millimeter into 9 equal parts. So if we divide 180 by 9, so we will get 20 millimeter each. Right? So let's make this each division consists of 20 millimeter length, isn't it? Next step, at the end of first division put 0 mark and on the right hand side of the 0 put a larger unit, that is kilometer, and give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the left side marks 1 to 10 because we know 1 kilometer is equivalent to 10 hectometer. So let's say that is 10 and that is my hectometer. Now this length is equivalent to 20 millimeter. So we can easily divide 20 millimeter by 10, 2 millimeter each division. So let's divide that and give the numbering 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? Mention the RF below this scale. So this is my RF. So this is my complete plane scale. Now let's represent the given measurement. That is a 6 kilometer and 4 hectometer. So 6 kilometer, 6 is over here, 6 kilometer and 4 hectometer is over here. So extend the line from these two and represent 4 kilometer and this is a 6 kilometer and 4 hectometer. This should be 6 kilometer and 4 hectometer. Here is a question for you. How to represent 7.1 kilometer? If you know the answer, comment in the comment section. And another practice problem for you. In a map, 6 kilometer distance is shown by a line 45 centimeter long. Calculate the RF and construct a plane scale to read kilometer and hectometer for maximum 12 kilometer and show 8.3 kilometer on it. I hope you can construct the plane scale problem. And if you face any difficulty, you can write it down in the comment section. If you learned something from this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for such more content, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.